Hey y'all, good morning. So welcome to another day in the life. I'm gonna be doing some stuff today and I figured I would take you along for the journey. So I just finished having my coffee and now I've got to get busy with printing some labels. So the first step is to actually take one of these little packages. I first weigh it so I can have the weight of the package, and then I buy the labels online and then I send them off. So I'm probably gonna be doing this for the next 30 minutes, so I'm not gonna film it. So after I get the labels and print them out, I just pop them on the package and then ship them out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I need to get some cleaning done in here. So I'll see you in a little bit. Hello, and welcome to my office. So I'm printing out my labels, but I did take like a 2-second break because I got hungry, girl. So I made myself a smoothie. It's got Mootopia in it, it's got rhubarb, it's got frozen peaches, banana, a little bit of my honey yogurt, and ice water, which I know it sounds like a lot, but it is, but it's okay. Anyways, I also threw in my teamy greens, which is why it is green. So if you haven't tried teamy greens yet, you should. If you're not eating enough vegetables, or if you don't like to eat vegetables, it's perfect for you because it has all kinds of vegetables in the powder. And then it also has matcha, which is really good because matcha boosts metabolism and it also burns fat. So it's like a win-win in a cup. And yeah, you should try it out. So after preparing my labels, I just took a little break from it, and now I am cleaning up my kitchen. It wasn't really dirty, but it was just kind of cluttery. I had stuff sitting all over that I needed to put away, so that's what I'm doing now. So I cleaned my kitchen, I let my robot vacuum do a little bit of the vacuuming, and then I did the rest of the vacuuming, but I didn't do a lot of cleaning on this day because I knew we had to go somewhere and be there at a certain time, so I just did like a quick basic cleanup. So now I am doing some quick makeup. I'm actually working with a little bit of day before makeup, which was just a little bit of eyeliner and leftover mascara. So I'm just adding to that, and I'm, doing my liquid liner, my winged liner, whatever. And now I am using some concealer, just putting that all over my face. I think it was the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and then I used some of my new Givenchy concealer to put under my eyes. So I want to show you this new product I got complimentary from Octoly and Undone Beauty, and I'm a little bit obsessed with it right now. It is a lip to cheek palette. It is a cream blush, But not only can you use it as a blush, you can use it also on your lips and your eyes. So it's like a 3-in-1 product. I've been wanting to try a cream blush for a long time now. I haven't used one in years, so when I seen this, I had to jump on it. But the color is called Blazin', and it's so easy to apply. I think it looks gorgeous. I love that I can use it on my eyes and my lips because it's just perfect to me. But I'm really loving this product. They also sent me like a precision brush that you can use to line and define, but I didn't use it this day, but maybe I'll show it to you guys another day. But I'm definitely loving this cream blush. It is awesome, and yeah, it stays pretty well on my cheeks for a good amount of time. And now I am doing my hair. I am clipping my Kylist off extensions in, and I'm teasing my hair a little bit, and that's pretty much all I'm doing to this hair today. Okay. So if you're wondering what I'm dancing to, I'm listening to Sammy Kershaw's Queen of My Double Wide Trailer. And also I get a lot of questions about the pants I'm wearing, my striped pants. These are pajamas from Adore Me, and they are so comfortable, and they're my favorite. Okay, so I just got my clothes on. I just filled up my Selena cup with some fruit water. And I ate a few strawberries. So we are fixing to get on the road. Me and Alan is going to get a bed frame. I really wanted a bed frame for my birthday, so that's what we're going to do. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me. We've got a long drive, so let's go. So I just had to run into Walmart really quick, and now we are headed to the post office. Some of the packages are being shipped off and some aren't because my debit card got blocked because I was buying too many labels. It does it all the time. It's so stupid. So I have to wait to do labels, and then I'm waiting on some of you to still send your addresses. So, anyways. We're going to the post office, and then we're going to head in the direction to get my bed frame. So we just got my bed. It's in the back of the truck, and we're on our way home now. I can't wait to get it home and put it together. Yay! So excited. I ended up getting really hungry, so we stopped at Burger King. Got mozzarella sticks and chicken nuggets, and Alan got a cheeseburger. Mozzarella sticks is really good. We are the king and queen
Burger King.
of Burger King. Yes, we are. Okay, so this is what the bedroom is looking like right now. Okay, it's a little messy. So I'm just moving everything out of the way so I can vacuum and mop my floor, because I have not vacuumed or mopped that part of the floor since we moved in, obviously because the mattress has been there. So I want to clean it up before we put my new bed frame down. So now we are putting together the new bed frame, and then I'm going to clean it after we're done putting it together, and I'm using the Fabuloso in the lemon scent, but I'm also using some antibacterial wipes. So here we go. We finally just got done putting it together. I made my bed. This is my new bed frame. I'm so happy. I finally have a bed frame again, and this one the cats cannot destroy because it's wood. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we put this rug in here, put the mirror over there. Yay! And even better, guess how much I paid for this bed frame, y'all? $100. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it was only $100. So it was totally a steal. Okay, so hi cookies. Come on, I want to see what you girls think of the bed now. Come on. She's noticing something different already. The mirror's been moved. Uh-oh. Like she's looking around like, what's different in here? They know something's different. Okay, the mirror's been moved. What is it? What's the difference? Kiki, over here. Yeah, see? Uh-huh. Oh, yep. There it goes. Uh-oh. Kiki, Cookie. And so it begins. The hiding. This is what you call the hiding. Cookie, what is that? So now it is 8:52 and I'm starting to cook. I just diced up some onions. I've got some rice going in the rice cooker. I have pre-seasoned my pork chops. We're gonna be doing pork chops on the grill, and I'm making some kind of rice that Alan's mom makes. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. She won't answer the phone, so if you're watching this, Mama Daisy, thanks for not answering the phone. Okay, anyways, let's see how this goes. So I didn't record me making the rice because I really didn't know what I was doing, and I was kind of scared of messing it up, so yeah. I made the rice though, and we cooked the pork chops on the grill, and I threw a salad together. All right, so our dinner is done. Here's the pork chop, the rice, and the Caesar salad.
Ready for me to try rice first?
Yeah.
Did you try it yet? Is it good?
Uh-huh. Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it as good as your mom's?
Yeah.
Don't lie, Alan. Don't lying, Alan. So overall, everything turned out really good, and I ate way too much, and that is the truth. But it was delicious, so I couldn't help myself. And now I'm just gonna clean up my mess. So yeah, I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. Have a few things I need to put away, like Alan's cup of Coke and my cup of water. I need to put it in the bedroom. I need to put the vacuum up, and I need to take the garbage. So anyways, this is the end of my day in the life. I can't believe we ate so late. It's like 10 something now. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So actually I'm gonna shower, get ready for bed, and yeah, thanks so much for watching.